Alright guys and gals, I'm Rich Brown, co-host of the American Warrior Show, and I want to give you guys a little look into camp. As I said in the intro, this is the combatives portion, and if you as people start joining on, if you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'm going to show you a little bit of the training that's going on. And again, this is only one of 4 days. We only do 1 day of combatives, so what you're looking at is that 1 day. So I'm going to show you a little bit of training here with Virgil and Christian.
But it could be controlled by doing like this, you know, potentially. That's not really same side control, it's maybe control. So we're going to have to get some measure control before we access the weapon. Stealth, distance. Another thing sometimes you can make happen is...
So if you're watching this and you just saw Virgil the Big Russian draw a handgun, I just want to let you know this is a sterile environment. Everybody's been searched and patted down. These are blue guns, training guns, SIRT guns, as well as training knives. So.
And I'm not putting it in context. Sometimes I train military guys and I'm not worried about it. So understand, if you guys have questions or concerns about the context of it being legal, talk to me.
There's Mike, host of the American Warrior Show.
I'm more than happy to address the issue. But there's times where, you know, it might play out like this, you know, I go, I may not knock them out, but bam, 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 and then boom, boom, boom. So I stun them long enough that
if you just joined, my name is Rich, co-host of the American Warrior Show. This is a little glimpse into our warrior camp out here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We're at Clinch MMA. There's Christian there. Virgil the Big Russian, and you can see my co-host of the American Warrior Show, Mike Seaclander, standing in the background. And again, if you're just joining us, you got some questions, go ahead and throw them out there. This is our annual warrior camp. This is the combatives portion of camp, one of the 4 days of training.
Let me show it to you first and then we'll deal with it. So, I'm gonna have to start from here if I were here.
So what we've been working on this morning is kind of managing the clinch. We've done a little pulling. We may see some guns come out. Just want to let you know it's a sterile environment. Everybody's been patted down with blue guns, SIRT guns, and training knives.
Where a lot of folks do it like this, they call it beer mugging, like they're holding beer mug here. I don't do it like that. I pass it, back at the elbow, here, and I pinch it against my ribs as I continue to drive into them. Try to get on this flank if I can. And as I drive, if I drive into him, what's he probably going to do? He's going to drive back. And then here and here. All right? What I don't want to do from here is do this. Because you're going to push the gun out, and I've seen many people do this. But we have guns that actually go bang. If you push them out of the battery, they don't work. They're real guns. They've got real bullets. They're trainer bullets. And you go here, and they go. So what do you think they do next? They're doing a great job of single hand clearing the malfunction, but yeah, they're pushing out of battery. So that's one issue. And then if I do this,
and thanks for joining us.